This video is on areas of shapes. As you saw in the Unit 1 investigation, and hopefully remember from middle school, these are the formulas for the areas of rectangles, parallelograms, triangles, and trapezoids. The area of a rectangle is the product of the length of the base and the height. Area is equal to base times height. The area of a parallelogram is also the product of the length of its base and its height. And notice that its height is not one side of the parallelogram. Instead, it's a perpendicular segment that goes between the two bases. The area of a triangle is 1/2 of the product of the length of the base and the height. And there's 3 different cases I'd like to take a look at here. In the first case here, we have a right triangle where the base and the height are the legs of the right triangle. Here we have an acute triangle where the height is actually inside of the triangle. Make sure that that is a perpendicular segment from a vertex, perpendicular to the opposite side. And here we have an obtuse triangle. We have one obtuse angle here where the height is actually outside of the triangle. So make sure that you're thinking about extending that base and then dropping a line from that vertex perpendicular to the extension of the base. And our last formula is for the area of a trapezoid, which is 1/2 of the product of the height and the sum of the lengths of the bases. So the area of a trapezoid is 1/2 times the height times the length of base 1 plus the length of base 2. So these are some area formulas for common shapes that you'll see. Make sure they're in your notebook and make sure that you have them memorized.